Hello guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, we will create our second custom object called rental agreement. So go to the setup here and in this quick find, go ahead and enter objects. Under build create, click on this objects link and then go ahead and hit the new custom object. So what will be the label? So we'll call it as rental agreement. This is going to be the name of our object. And the plural label, we'll call it as rental agreements. That is going to be the plural label. It does not start with a vowel sound, so we'll leave it as it is. And the rental agreement, you can call it as a name or we can even call it as a number. So we can call it as a rental agreement number. It's going to be an auto number and it will be RA000 and starting number would be 1. So you can have the rental agreement would be like 001, 002, whatever. And this agreement will be between the renter and the apartment unit. Okay. So the optional features, we're going to allow the reports, activities, all these. They're good to have features. And everything leave it as it is. And search status. We are not going to create a tab for this custom object is because this custom object will be linked to the rental unit, because each rental unit, when it will be rented, we will create a rental agreement for that unit, right? So this rental agreement, we will not create a custom tab for this one. So here we're going to go ahead and hit the save button. We have created our rental agreement object. Now we're going to go ahead and add fields to this object. And we have already seen the different types of fields that we will create on this rental agreement object. So the first field will be a master detail relationship to the rental unit. So we're going to go ahead and hit the new button and we'll select the master detail relationship, hit the next. Who will it be related to? It will be related to the rental unit. So that is the object it will be related to. Hit next and we'll call it as rental unit and then hit next, visible to all, next, next. And then save and new. The next field we will add will be a master detail field to the contact object because we need to know that this agreement is for which renter. So we'll create another master detail relationship field here on this object and then hit the next. It is related to whom? It is going to be related to the contact object. So we're going to go ahead and select the contact from the list. This is the standard object that Salesforce already offers. So we will use this contact object to store the information related to our renters. So what is the address, what is the name, phone number, etc. And this object is already there. So we don't have to create next. And the field name would be contact. Hit next. Visible to all these profiles. Hit next. Next and save. So far what we have added these two fields to our custom object. Now in the next tutorial we are going to go ahead and add more fields to our rental agreement object.